Your 30s are a decade of significant expenditures, whether it's purchasing a home, starting a family, or simply getting married. It often feels like you're constantly stretched thin. As someone currently in their 30s, I've contemplated the financial milestones necessary to ensure financial stability by the age of 40. Whether you're in your 20s planning ahead, currently in your 30s like me, or in your 40s reflecting on past decisions, this advice applies to you. The first financial milestone to achieve in your 30s, before turning 40, is to eliminate all non-mortgage debt. This means aiming for zero consumer debt, including credit card debt and paid-off student loans. Ideally, you should also have your car paid off, as car payments can be a significant drain on finances. In addition to focusing on financial stability, your 30s are when various aspects of your personal life begin to intersect. You may find yourself with increased responsibilities at work, children, pets, or caring for elderly parents. These new responsibilities underscore the importance of eliminating consumer debt, as it can hinder your ability to support your loved ones effectively. Furthermore, achieving an excellent credit score above 800 is crucial in your 30s. A high credit score can lead to lower interest rates when obtaining a mortgage or refinancing existing loans. Maintaining good credit habits, such as timely bill payments, is essential to preserving a high credit score. Another vital financial milestone in your 30s is creating a comprehensive financial plan for the next 3 decades, including retirement. This plan should encompass budgeting, retirement planning, estate planning, and tax planning. Consider seeking the assistance of a certified financial planner to help formulate and execute your financial plan effectively. Additionally, building a robust emergency fund becomes increasingly important in your 30s. Aim to have at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses saved in an easily accessible account. Given the growing responsibilities you may face, consider saving up to 12 months' worth of expenses for added security. By the time you reach 40, strive to have at least 3 times your annual salary saved for retirement. This savings target, along with sound investment strategies, can put you on track to achieve your long-term financial goals. Another critical goal in your 30s is to avoid lifestyle inflation. Despite potential increases in income, resist the urge to significantly increase your spending. Instead, focus on maintaining or slightly increasing your standard of living while prioritizing savings and investments. If you liked this video, be sure to subscribe for more. Hit the like button, and drop any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching. It's also essential to start developing an estate plan, especially if you have dependents or assets to distribute. Basic estate planning documents, such as a living will and healthcare power of attorney, can ensure your wishes are carried out in case of incapacity or death. Investing in your health is another valuable investment in your 30s. Good health not only improves your quality of life but can also reduce healthcare expenses in the long run. Prioritize regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep to maintain optimal health. Lastly, consider starting a 529 plan for your children's education expenses. A 529 plan offers tax advantages and can help alleviate the financial burden of higher education. Overall, your 30s are a critical period for laying the foundation for long-term financial stability and success. By setting and achieving these financial milestones, you can build a secure future for yourself and your loved ones.